The Bugatti Veyron, a 1,000-horsepower monster, one of the fastest production cars ever made, and the ultimate status symbol. But what if I told you it's also one of the worst cars you could ever buy for $500,000? Sounds crazy, right? Behind the luxury, there's a nightmare waiting to happen. Insane maintenance costs, ridiculous service fees, and hidden expenses that turn this dream into a financial disaster. Today, we're breaking down why the Bugatti Veyron is the worst $500,000 car you could own. On the surface, the Bugatti Veyron seems like a masterpiece of engineering. It's a car that shattered records, pushing over 1,000 horsepower with a quad-turbocharged W16 engine. It wasn't just fast, it was revolutionary. It was the first production car to break the 250-mile-per-hour barrier, making it one of the most iconic hypercars ever built. And beyond the performance, it's a symbol of wealth and success. Celebrities like Cristiano Ronaldo, Jay-Z, and Floyd Mayweather all own one. It's the kind of car that turns heads everywhere, whether you're rolling through Beverly Hills or parking it in front of a luxury hotel in Monaco. For many, this is the ultimate dream car, the perfect combination of power, prestige, and exclusivity. But there's something they don't tell you. Owning a Bugatti Veyron isn't just expensive. It's a full-blown nightmare. Let's start with the basics. How much do you think it costs to change the oil in a Bugatti Veyron? A couple of $100, maybe 1,000. Try $50,000. That's right. Just a standard oil change costs as much as a brand new sports car. The process takes an entire day, requiring the removal of multiple panels and draining oil from 24 separate plugs. And forget about taking it to a regular mechanic. The only place that can do it is an authorized Bugatti service center. But that's just the beginning. The tires? $42,000 for a full set, and they need to be replaced every 2,500 miles. And here's where it gets even worse. Bugatti recommends changing the wheels themselves every 10,000 miles. That's another $50,000. So by the time you hit 10,000 miles, you've already spent over $90,000 just to keep the car rolling. And let's talk about fuel consumption. If you think a Dodge Hellcat is bad, wait till you hear this. The Veyron burns through a full tank in just 12 minutes at top speed. On a normal drive, you'll be lucky to get 8 miles per gallon. Push it hard, and you're looking at 3. That's worse than some military tanks. And don't even get me started on insurance. Just keeping this thing legally on the road costs around $5,000 per month. That's over $60,000 per year, just for insurance. At that price, you could buy a brand new Tesla Model S every single year instead. Now, what happens if something actually breaks? Let's say a turbocharger goes bad. That's $25,000. Need a new transmission? $120,000. Even a simple brake job costs around 20 grand. And if you ever damage the carbon fiber body panels, repairs can easily run into 6 figures. At this point, you're not just paying for a car, you're paying for one of the most expensive liabilities in the world. And the worst part, there are so many better options for $500,000, or even way less. If you have $500,000 to spend on a car, why throw it all away on something that charges you 50 grand just for an oil change? There are plenty of smarter choices. Take the McLaren 720S, for example. It's faster than most hypercars, looks just as exotic, and costs a fraction of what a Bugatti does to maintain. Or if you want something more practical, the Porsche 911 Turbo S gives you insane acceleration, a stunning design, and way better reliability. If straight-line speed is your thing, a Tesla Model S Plaid will destroy a Bugatti in a drag race and cost almost nothing to maintain. And of course, if you want that exotic supercar feel, a Lamborghini Huracan gives you all the drama and excitement without forcing you to take out a second mortgage just to change the tires. The Bugatti Veyron might be an engineering marvel, but as a car you actually have to own, it's a financial disaster. So what do you think? Would you ever buy a Bugatti Veyron, or is it just a billionaire's money pit? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more insane car breakdowns. See you in the next one.